For today's video, magre-react tayo mga idol sa cover song video ni Miss Yan Moreno. Sabay-sabay nating panoorin ang kanyang version ng kantang You Made Me Live Again by Janet Basco. Panoorin na natin yan. Let's go!
I was down and out,
Wow, power ball.
and feeling so low. You took my hand and you held my time.
Ganda ng boses.
I was a dream, you showed me the way. Now I finally
Ganda rin ng mga kasama niya.
found you. I saw you go, the times have been true. Confusing, didn't know what to do. I almost gave up, but you gave me hope. You made me strong as the days went on. You made me live again.
Wow, great.
I was lost and disappointed when my lonely broken heart. Till you came along, you took me home and made me your own. Para naman sa asan natin You were always there, so never behind.
Sanay na sanay kumanta. Galing.
When good friends were hard to find, when things went wrong,
Medyo static ang video pero maganda ang quality ng boses.
you made my day so bright. You made me live again. I was lost and disappointed with my lonely broken heart. Then you came along, you took me home and made me your own. Nasa malalim siya tsaka nag-off na kanina. Now look at me, it's a different me. I want something again. I'm not afraid to face the world again, 'cause you told me how to be strong. You made me live again.
Wow, galing. Galing. Mga idol, i-follow and supportan natin si Miss Yan Moreno. Nasa description nitong video yung link ng FB account niya. Yan po. Maraming salamat. Mabalos sa panunood. Kita-kits sa next video. Shout out sa lahat ng OFW sa lahat ng part ng mundo. Babush!